Do these 3 things for greater motivation. Struggling to summon the motivation and drive you need in order to get done? Finding yourself in a slump or a rut? In this presentation, we'll discuss 3 strategies you can use to gain motivation and drive and attack your goals. Make your bed every morning. This might sound strange, but making your bed every single morning without fail is something you can do to gain an instant increase in drive and motivation. How does this work? Firstly, when you make your bed, you'll make your environment tidier and cleaner. As a result, you'll find that it's that much easier to focus on the work you need to do without being distracted by your environment. At the same time, though, when you make your bed, you're forcing yourself to do something you probably don't want to do. This takes motivation and discipline. In other words, you're training your own ability to stay on task, which will in turn make it that much easier to do other things you need to do in the future. Create a motivation montage. All of us have scenes from movies, songs, quotes, and images that inspire us. These are things that somehow speak to us on a level that has a big impact on our emotions. What I'm going to suggest then is that you take these things and then edit them into an inspiring montage. Now, whenever you're feeling low on energy or motivation, whenever you're struggling to force yourself to do what needs to be done, you can refer to this compilation you've made and feel an immense sense of drive and motivation. Try Yogic Sleep. This is one that you likely won't have heard of, but it can be an immensely valuable tool in your arsenal. Essentially, we need to sleep in order to access our full motivation. Discipline and motivation take energy, and without sleep, you can't tap into that. If you're lacking sleep, then making yourself do important things will feel much harder. That's where Yogic Sleep comes in. This is a form of meditation that advocates claims can provide the same benefit as 2 hours of deep sleep in just 30 minutes. Whether this is true is up for debate, but it is certainly a powerful tool and one that you can use when you're low on recuperation. Give it a try and see what happens.